What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff, and welcome back to another Nike factory store outlet find. So we're gonna look around, and as you can see there has a 30% off on the clothing. And in the return aisles, as you can see, we got some good one that we found here that has been returned. So this is there where they put the returns. So as you can see right there is the Jordan Retro. This one look into the comps already, but it's not really good. So let's move on to another returns. Ooh, check this out. What do you think? Wow, the Air Jordan. Another just released. The colorway is not bad with the the white and the navy colorway, but the size 8 is not really good for resale. So moving on, we got the Nike MX-720-818. The color on this one is not bad. The price $99.97. It's not bad also for the collection, but for resale is not. You look at those clear air bubble right there. With the 30, it's not bad though. Okay, moving on with the Nike Air Max 200. So $54.97 with the additional 30% off. Not bad. Alright, another Air Max 200 with white black anthracite, $59.97 with additional 30%. So we're on the Nike Joyride CC3 Sailor and Sail colorway, $69.97 with another 30%. Alright, more Joyride. We have a triple back with $59.97 with the 30. Not bad also for the price and the quality. Alright, moving on with another Joyride CC setter with a different colorway, $49.97 with an additional 30%, black and white. Well, what's one? Nike Joyride CC, another one, $49.97 with the additional 30% off. Already got me this one and already sold me some of it. 8.5 is a good price. The size $49.97 with this one a different colorway, multicolor price, and the 30% was not bad. Moving on to Nike Epic React Flyknit 2. Well, this one I would love to have this one, but I already have a lot of Epic React, so I'm not gonna pass. So Nike Odyssey React 2 Flyknit. This one is a cheaper version of the Epic React. We got this one $49.97. It's almost same midsole and outsole. And we have still in the running shoes, as you can see, $44.97. More running shoes. Alright, another Air Max 200, a different colorway. Colorway much better. I wish they don't put on the blue ones in there, but the $44.97 with the 30, not bad. Same goes with the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34. I would love to have this one. Look at the colorway, but the swoosh, $54.97 with the 30, not bad also, but the swoosh thing is kinda blew me off, but quality on the performance, not bad. Moving on to the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 HKNE, $79.97 with the 30. This one would be on the collection, so I might be picking up a personal pair because I already have me those orange one. It's really good. Moving on with the Nike Zoom Windflow 6 and $54.97 with the 30. Alrighty, Nike Air Zoom Structure 22, retail is $120, $54.97 with the 30. Well, how about the Nike Air Zoom Bomero 14, retail $140, reselling for $69.97 with the 30. And how about the Nike Zoom Rivalry Fly? Whoa, that price $39.97. Zoom Fly 3 Premium Halcon $160, $79.97. with the 30%. Well, not bad also. Alrighty, look at those. They have a lot of 30% off. Look at this one, Zoom Rise TV. Retail is 140, and this is 59.97 with the 30. Not bad for a basketball shoes. 59.99 also. And this one, well, how about the Mamba Focus? Well, 74.99 with the 30%. Yep, I might gonna pick this one, but maybe size wise might gonna go 7 or 7.5. Let's see. All right, we are in the Jordan section, a mix of performance or weightlifting shoes. There's a lot of also with 30%. So check out this Jordan 3 animal print version 1. So there's almost gone, but the price still unreached retail. Well, no additional discount. What do you think? Bag is secured. So there you go. This is what we pick up on the Nike factory store. Alright guys, this is what we got on the Nike factory. So let's take them out on the box and let's talk about the breakdown, shall we? And there you go. This is the new technique that I've been doing on the Nike factory store since there was a limit, and I have to be more flexible what's going on, because before this pandemic happened, it used to be like 10 pairs per transaction. Now it has to be 5 per transaction, so it's kind of a huge problem for me, because it used to be like 10 pairs, and then when I bring someone with me like my sister, my mom, my daughter, and my nephew, it's almost like about 50 pairs or 40 pairs way back then. So I don't have to be like more particular in size that I need to buy, but now that's what I'm doing since there's a 5 limit. And the problem is it's not used to be like you stock the stuff on the back near the cashier. Now you can only carry the only one you buy, so it's hard. You can't just carry 20 pair on your own, so that's the problem now. So this is the only I can buy and I could carry. That's the problem now. So just like what I've said, that I have to focus on sizes, just like this one. Starting off with the Mamba Focus, we bought 2 pairs of the 7.5, and the colorway on this one is the black anthracite, and the retail is 100, and we got them for 79.97 with the additional 20%. So there we go. Plain like black and white, simple of Kobe Mamba Focus. I always like this part of the outrigger that used for a point guard. Players who are point guards, somewhere right there, is wearing a smaller shoes because they are smaller people. Okay, focusing also on the size 7 because this is the only pair that I have on the store, so I have to take this out, and so that I could eliminate the competition. Next one, let's try this one. So this one is the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo HKNE, and the retail on this one is 180, and we bought this for 79.97 with the additional 30% off. Boom. And you know it's 10.5. That means it's going to be on the collection. So the first one I got is the Zoom Pegasus Turbo 1, which is very, very responsive, and it's like I'm not having some kind of fatigue when I'm running on that shoes. So that's why I said, since This is already cheap. It's somewhere around $55. You can't beat that price for a very quality running shoes. So got them for the personal, $55 only. Next one, Joyride CC, and we have size 8.5 and the colorway, and this one is Ghost Bright Crimson Black, and we got them for $49.97 with the additional 30% off. Boom. Okay, so I already did some kind of running and foot review, the first generation of this Nike Joyride, and it is very comfortable, especially those beads around here. Yes, they are comfortable. It's like stepping on a foam, something like that. But the problem is, what I think it's only used for a recovery run, and it's not actually made for a race run, because these beads really help when I was running. When I did that foot review and running review, it was really comfortable. It's like stepping on a foam. So, but when I tried to do a longer run, it feels like get a fatigue. But let's talk about why did I buy them, and let's talk about the market value. So here we go. So we put in the code in the the eBay apps, and look into the men's category and size 8.5. As you can see, size 8 are 8 reseller, and 8.5 is 6 reseller. So the lowest one is they are selling for $80 with free shipping, and there's only 6 results, just like what I've said. The thing that's why I bought and focus on this 8.5 is there's only low reseller, and the price of they are reselling right now is $80 with free shipping. And since we already bought them for $49.97, then I could lower than the price of asking price, and I might gonna ask for the buyer pay for the shipping, or either way, because I knew I'm still gonna make money on this one. That's a good one already, a good return of investment if I'm gonna do that. So let's see, 49, come on, 49.97 minus 30%, so it's like $35. Let's put it on 35 if I'm gonna sell it for, let's say, 75, and then we pay for the shipping. So it's somewhere around $25 or 24. Return of investment is 69.79, so that is more than 50% return of investment. So that is why I went and focused on this size and a half, and it's only the size that they have on the store. Okay, moving on, and we have the last 3 pair, which is just the same, the Nike Joyride CC. The colorway is the Midnight Dark Obsidian. We pick up the size 8, then 8.5 and 7.5. So as you can see, $49.97 with the additional 30% off. Boom, let's take them out. Alright, so this is much more minimal with this colorway, and the other one is much more brighter. So let's talk about why did I got this one, and why did I invest on this one. So we already input the code. Some of them, the listing is result is 33, but looks like there is some are pre-owned. So let's put on new. So 29 result. Okay, And now let's see size. Okay, there you go. So there is only 7 pairs of size 8, 6 pair of 8.5, and 3 pairs of size 7. So let's see. Asking is 69, which is the lowest one for the size 7. Still a good price, and the buyer paid for the shipping. Next one, let's talk about the size 8. Lowest one, asking, there is 7 result, as you can see right there. And lowest asking is 64. Buyer pay for the shipping. And lastly, we look into the size 8.5. There's only 6 pairs, and the seller asking for $59.99. Buyer paid for the shipping. This one also is really good because $69.99 and free shipping. But so this buyer have about more than 10 available. Wow. And this particular size, this is gonna be hard because this is the size 8.5, but this $59.99 is reselling it for $59 with free shipping. Let's see how much they are making. 35, buyer pay for the shipping, $59.99. Okay, so it's almost like 58% return of investment and $20.45. So that's still not bad for the investment because this is only, there is a $20 investment and more than 50% return of investment. So not bad, even though I'm gonna lower down my investment, let's say $59.99, then I'm gonna leave a penny or something. So just in case, either way, there's is only 6 result. This one only have 10 pairs. It might gonna sold out that quick because it's already cheap. So that is how I do things right now, because it's the pandemic going on. You don't have to buy them all. It's like, it used to be like research is pretty much easier because when I look into them, it's reselling, then I buy them. I buy multiple. Don't look in too much of the, I don't look in too much or dive in too much of the sizes, because the limit is 10, and then I have someone with me, so I could buy 30 pairs of shoes of one per SKUs, or 50 if I have my family with me. So that was the big changes. Especially now, I have to focus on some sizes. Now it will take me more time to research which one is really reselling on particular sizes. Okay, all right, so I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you like what's going on, and I hope you like the video on the outlet and this video and focus on the new technique that I'm focusing for reselling. So what do you think on this particular shoes that I bought? And hope you learned something. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up. Also comment down below, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-iingat po kayo. Bye-bye.